Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Naija here. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to start off with an unboxing. This one is smaller than what I'm used to getting but equally as exciting. This is what it looks like. We are going to open this up together. I want to be careful because I want to make sure I don't cut what I have in here. I know what I'm expecting. It's just really fabric. We are, my husband and I, my entire family, we're part of the Igbo community meeting here in Arizona. So I had sent my uniform, my Igbo uniform, I had sent it home to have it sewn. So I want to believe that this is it. Hey, Chinekena, I almost made a huge blunder. Look at that. The fabric is here and I slit, you see that? I slit the bag and this is the uniform. Chinekena. Not today. I'll just use my hand and unwrap the rest. My brother-in-law. This is going to make my husband very happy. Everybody now knows that he wants granules. So there's granules for him. Granules. He's going to be very happy with that. Really, the only thing that I am expecting in this one is my ákwà. And what I'm going to do, I will show off the ákwà once I have it styled with the outfit that I plan on wearing. Ooh, queen. Wow. Okay, this is it right here. I wish that the whole emblem showed. There is parts missing here, but as long as the outfit fits well, it shouldn't be a problem. But this, I wish the entire thing showed. But I know it's 6 pieces. They have to cut it a certain way. Anyway, oh my goodness! Look at the blouse. Hey, woo! This is a lot. I'm not a fan of heavily beaded material. Only because after you wear it, it's like, how am I going to clean this thing, you know? Cleaning is a whole nother chore. You know, some of you guys might be looking at this blouse telling yourself how fantastic it is. Me, I'm looking at it and just thinking of a chore. Like, how am I going to clean this? I cannot be going to dry clean every single time I wear it. But I don't plan on wearing it that often, so it's good. It's a good trade. It's heavily beaded. It's going to be heavy. This is our uniform. That's why I have this. But heavily beaded something is not my cup of tea, just because of the maintenance. I like easy maintenance kind of fabric. See, now it's even grabbing a hold of my sweater. All the stones and everything involved, it is plenty. Well, it looks cute. I'll show you guys. See, some of the bead is even falling out already and it hasn't even been worn. That's going to be a high maintenance fabric. I don't like to sew things like that because I don't want to be worried about the maintenance more than I worry about styling my outfits. So that's that. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like once I rock it. Oh, I think this is the leftover for me to wrap over the skirt. These are my husband's. That's what it looks like. Oh, this is another one of his. His Tailor is like fantastic with menswear. I entertained before, you know, contracting with his Tailor, sewing and then selling here. But business with somebody who is based in Nigeria is not always a good idea. More granules for Olga. And that is it. Very, very short and sweet. I want to be excited for this, but I'm not. Usually I'm excited when I have new aqua. All I can just picture and envision right now is the challenges of wearing this. But we'll make it work. We will make it work. Yeah, so that's it for now. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.